we had a helpful viewer tell us when we were using our griddle that we're double regulated. I had no idea what that meant, but I figured he's probably right. Let's check it out. We haven't used the griddle since then, but I pulled it out today to cook dinner. He's right. I haven't watched any sort of video, but we're gonna try this together. Come on. Your propane tank's on the front of your camper. That has a regulator on it. This is a regulator on the back of your griddle. So now we're double regulated. I feel if we take this off, I can take this and pop it right there, which is how I want it anyway. I want it coming straight out the back because we bought a longer hose and we're not going to be using that on the side of the camper. We have our table that we bought for it. I want it coming straight out, not cattywampus like that. So, tools you need for the job, pair of pliers. These are probably junky, but this is all I've got in the camper at the moment, I think. I might have some more in my toolbox. But these are loose, like the eggs that we're carrying across Canada. So we just unscrew this from here, unscrew this from this, and then put that where that came out of. Sounds pretty straightforward to me. I'm giving it a shot. Hand first? Yeah, no, it's not off by hand. Step 1, remove the old regulator. Step 2, install the new thingy. Step 3, there is no step 3, you're done. Let's fire this baby up and see if it worked. Here's our long hose coming from propane cooker hooker. Attach that to the back. Kadoom. Probably need a, oh no, it sparks itself, never mind. Get the gas flowing. Get the gas flowing. Move this out of the way. There we go. You can't really see the flame, but it's pretty tall. Yeah, there you go. That was a super easy project that we had no idea existed until a viewer told us that there was something amiss, as it were. So thank you, kind viewer. I wish I knew what your name was. You know, I'm sure. We're gonna find out and thank you down below here. See right here? Thank you, user 15702, or whatever your name happens to be. So, thank you so much. If you guys see us doing anything dumb or something that we should be doing different, or you have a better idea, tell it to us because we're going to try it because that was fantastic. As much as we think we're an expert at camping, there's still stuff we don't know. So,
I think our dog's going to die.
it's just snots hacking on a bone. He got it up. It's a Christmas Vacation reference. Anyway, tell us what you think. Again, we love hearing from you guys. So give us some comments below. If you think we should be doing something else, or you have a great idea to do something better, or hey, why don't you try this? We want to hear it. So tell us, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, like, everything. We'll see you down the road. Happy camping, everybody.